Ever plug in HDMI and get no signal, blurry video, or missing sound? Chances are EDID is the reason. So what is EDID, how does it work, and why does it matter in real-world AV installs? EDID stands for Extended Display Identification Data. It's a small data file stored inside a display like a TV, projector, or LED processor. When a source device like a laptop, media player, or streaming device connects, the display tells the source exactly what it supports, like 1080p or 4K, 60 Hz or 120 Hz, stereo or surround sound formats, so the source can send a signal the display can actually handle. In a basic setup, EDID is exchanged automatically. The source reads the EDID, chooses the best settings, and everything just works. But in Pro AV setups with matrices, extenders, video walls, or AV over IP, things get more complicated. Different displays can have different EDID, and the system has to decide what the source should see. Without proper EDID management, the source might output the wrong resolution, drop audio, or fail to display anything at all. That's why professional AV gear often includes EDID tools like copying EDID from a display, using built-in EDID presets, forcing a fixed resolution, or setting a custom EDID. If you've ever seen a blank screen or unsupported resolution, it's usually not the cable, it's the HDMI handshake. EDID is invisible, but it's one of the most important parts of any AV system. If this helped, subscribe for more AV basics, real-world install tips, and system design insights.